Imagine a luxury electric MPV that doesn't just transport your family, it pampers them, it thrills them, and it completely redefines what an EV people carrier can be in 2025. That's the Denza D9 EV. And today on Gravity Automotive, we're diving deeper than ever into everything that makes this seven-seater a true masterpiece of design, performance, comfort, and next-generation innovation. From the moment you see it, the D9 EV feels different. The sleek and futuristic Pi-Motion front fascia, fluid metallic chrome strips carved into the face, and the sculpted LED headlights that seem to flow like liquid metal immediately project a sense of premium sophistication. The long 3,110mm wheelbase and overall length of 5,250mm give it a confident, elegant stance that feels both substantial and graceful at the same time. Every angle has been crafted to improve aerodynamics without sacrificing road presence, resulting in a design that is as functional as it is beautiful. Step inside, and the luxury experience shifts into an even higher gear. The cabin wraps you in plush, Napa-style leather upholstery, rich wood-grain trim, soft-touch materials, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the entire interior with natural light, helping it feel airy, open, and incredibly premium. The second row, in particular, takes luxury to another level, with two captain's chairs that offer heating, ventilation, 10-point massage, power recline, and even extendable leg rests depending on trim. These aren't just seats, they're personal relaxation pods designed for long trips, airport runs, or VIP commuting. The third row isn't an afterthought either. With generous legroom, smart cushioning, and ergonomic angles, adults can comfortably sit for extended rides without feeling cramped, something very few MPVs genuinely accomplish. Under the floor lies the beating heart of the Denza D9 EV. A massive 103.4 kilowatt-hour BYD Blade LFP battery, one of the safest and most durable EV battery technologies on the market. This battery delivers up to 620 kilometers of CLTC range for the front-wheel drive model and around 600 kilometers for the dual-motor AWD version, making the D9 EV one of the longest-range MPVs available anywhere. Power output depends on the configuration. The single-motor version pushes out 230 kilowatts, 308 horsepower, with 360 newton-meters of instant torque, while the dual-motor setup jumps to a combined 275 kilowatts, 369 horsepower, and 470 newton-meters. For a large, heavy luxury MPV, the AWD version's 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.9 seconds is genuinely impressive, showcasing how far EV torque delivery has come. Charging performance is equally practical. With up to 200 kilowatt DC fast charging capability, you can go from 30% to 80% in around 30 minutes, perfect when you're on the go. And at home, the 11 kilowatt AC charging system keeps everyday charging simple and dependable. Despite its size, the Denza D9 EV drives much more gracefully than you would expect, thanks to McPherson front suspension, a multi-link rear system, well-tuned steering, and excellent sound insulation. The ride is smooth, calm, and controlled, making it ideal for highway cruising or crowded urban areas. On the tech side, Denza integrates its advanced DiPilot ADAS suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, fatigue monitoring, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and in certain trims, a LiDAR-supported enhanced safety setup. This helps the D9 EV stay aware of its surroundings in ways older MPVs could only dream of. The cabin tech is equally modern, with a 15.6-inch floating touchscreen, a 10.25-inch digital driver display, dual 50-watt wireless fast chargers, visibility-boosting 360-degree cameras, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and customizable ambient lighting. Some trims even include an in-car refrigerator, perfect for long journeys or family road trips. The multi-zone climate control, remote start, soft close power sliding doors, and power tailgate all contribute to a seamless, premium experience from every angle. Safety remains a top priority, with multiple airbags, ISO fixed child seat anchors, a rigid passenger safety cell, stability control, and BYD's proven battery protection architecture. Price-wise, the Denza D9 EV positions itself as a premium yet value-packed MPV, starting around $44,900 for the two-wheel drive premium Voyager trim and reaching up to $66,000 for the fully loaded flagship AWD model. It first debuted in December 2024 and expanded to global markets throughout 2025, quickly becoming one of the most talked-about luxury EV MPVs due to its blend of range, comfort, and technology. Denza also offers a lifetime warranty on the battery for the first owner, which is a massive advantage considering the industry's growing focus on long-term EV durability. Practicality is another strong point. The interior is designed for families and professionals alike, with multiple seating configurations and significant cargo flexibility. Fold the third row down, and the storage capacity increases dramatically, making it suitable for vacations, sports gear, strollers, or even business use. All of this results in a vehicle that goes far beyond the idea of a simple people carrier. The Denza D9 EV is a statement, a declaration that sustainable driving can be luxurious, comfortable, and incredibly high-tech. It reimagines what a modern MPV can be in a world shifting rapidly towards electric mobility. At Gravity Automotive, we believe the D9 EV is one of the few vehicles that manages to blend premium craftsmanship, cutting-edge engineering, safety, and true family practicality without compromise. More than efficient, more than stylish, it feels emotionally intelligent, adapting to the needs of passengers, drivers, and modern lifestyles. The 2025 Denza D9 EV isn't just a choice, it's a forward-thinking investment in comfort, technology, and sustainable transportation.